This video I will explain why Paytm is not working and what are the common fixes. Sometimes the Paytm app may not work properly. This can be confusing, especially when you want to make payment urgently. What does payment not working mean? App is not opening, payment is failing, money is not going or not received. App is slow or app is stuck. Now we will see what are the common reasons for Paytm is not working. First reason, internet problem. An internet connection is required for Paytm to work properly. Real life example. Suppose you try to pay at a shop, but your mobile data signal is weak. The app keeps loading and payment fails. To solve this problem, turn your mobile data off and on. You have to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. You have to move to a place where network signal is stronger. Second reason is Paytm server issue. What is server? Server is a system that runs the Paytm service in the background. Sometimes Paytm server may be down or busy. Real life example. Many people are using Paytm at the same time during festival or sale. So the app becomes slow or stops working. To resolve this issue, you have to wait for a few minutes or you have to try again later. Third reason is Paytm app not updated. If your Paytm app is old and it may not work properly. Real life example. You installed Paytm long ago and never updated it. Now some features stop working. To solve this problem, you have to go to Play Store, update the latest version of Paytm. Fourth reason is phone storage full. If your phone has no free space, apps may stop working. Real life example. Your phone shows storage full. Paytm opens but crashes suddenly. To fix this, you have to delete unwanted photos or apps. You have to keep some free storage space. Fifth reason is wrong UPI pin. What is UPI pin? A UPI pin is a secret number used to approve payments. Real life example. You enter the wrong UPI pin while paying. The payment fails. To fix this, you have to enter the correct UPI pin carefully. If you forgotten, you have to reset your UPI pin. Sixth reason is bank server problem. Sometimes your bank system may not respond. Real life example. You are trying to pay, but it shows bank server not responding. To fix this, you have to wait for some time. You have to try again later. Seventh reason is app cache problem. What is cache? Cache is a temporary data stored by the app. Sometimes this data causes issues. To fix this, you have to go to phone settings. You have to clear Paytm cache. And you do not clear the data. Eighth reason is account or KYC issue. If your KYC is incomplete, some features may not work. Real life example. You try to send money, but Paytm asks for KYC. To fix this, you have to complete your KYC process. If Paytm is not working, you have to check your internet connection. You have to restart the app. You have to update the app. You have to check if bank issue or server issue. You can try again after some time. Here you can see the summary of whatever we have discussed.